Welcome to Make All the Things with me. I am making memory beads today with polymer clay. It was really hard to work with, so I used a rolling pin to work it and knead it, and it was so much easier to work with once I flattened it. And that's the Dollar Tree polymer clay. Did the same thing to that. And if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Now, back to the beads. My son had given me roses for my birthday. I dried them and then I stuck them in a plastic bag. I took a few leaves out and the baby's breath, and I crushed the rose leaves petals. And then I proceeded to roll all the clay into tiny little balls. Once I had the balls rolled, I also cut out a heart shape, and on the heart shape I just placed the baby's breath and the rose petals on top of it, and then with the beads I rolled the beads on the crushed petals. Once I had them all done, I threaded them onto this long wire that I got at Michael's in the flower section, and I just placed all the beads on there. You can use flowers from a wedding, a funeral, a party, or like I did from my son giving me flowers for my birthday. It's a great keepsake memory. You could turn it into a bracelet like I did. Okay, so I baked the polymer clay in the oven with the directions on the package, 265 for 30 minutes. Took them out, let them cool, and I used Waverly wax to seal the beads. I looked it up, it said it could be done, and so then I had used my dryer to dry them a little bit, but then I just let them sit until they were completely dry. And then the heart I turned into a little keychain, and the beads I turned into a bracelet using memory wire, and I was really rusty with it, but I got it all done and completed, and look how beautiful that is, and flowers on my bracelet that I can wear forever.